Assalamu alaikum student, welcome back to Google Classroom. Hope all are doing good, doing their studies, the practicing everything, right? Now student, today we will start our new topic and new that is our last chapter of the syllabus for the algebra, because the entire two chapters what the before after this chapter is there, that is financial planning and statistics. You know that these chapters are omitted from the government, so we don't want to study in this year. So we will start our this chapter number 5, that is linear equation in two variables. In 8th standard you have learned this chapter, linear equation in two variables, and linear equation in one variables. Last year you have learned, might be you were not able to understood. याद है आपको, याद होगा कि हमने we have learned that we will take one side variable and one side number while we are changing, so we have to consider sign also ना. See, if we have minus sign in left hand side, अगर वो right जाएगा तो वो क्या बन जाएगा प्लस, अगर right side है left side right है, so वो इक्वल के left जगह क्या बन जाएगा minus. Multiplication will become division, you know that, and division became multiplication, multiply. Now this is the changing of sign where from left to right. When we changing the equations or numbers or variables, we have to change the sign also, right? Now that is the last year that we get only the value of one variable. Now in this year we will get the value of two variables. Okay, now what is linear? Linear means the highest index should be one, only one index. जो पावर होगा, जो इंडेक्स होगा, वो क्या होना चाहिए? only one. For example, and we will consider two variables. So क्या हो जाएगा? x plus y. Two variables equals to 0. That is equation, right? And the power of these two variables are one only. So it is called a linear equation in one variable. Two variables. Understood? So shall I start? Now student, here we will got two equations, okay, and we have to verify whether the two equations are equal or not. If the equations are not equal, if the variables of one of the equations are not equal, so we have to make the equation, the variable should equal. दो इक्वेशन आपको दिए जाएंगे, दोनों इक्वेशन के दो वेरिएबल्स आपको ट्राई करने हैं, आपको चेक करने हैं. अगर वो दोनों इक्वेशन के दोनों वेरिएबल, कोई भी एक वेरिएबल इक्वल नहीं है तो आपको इक्वल करना होगा. समझ में आया? ओके, वो कैसा करेंगे वो हम देखते हैं. अब ये याद रखो, जब हमको कोई भी ऐड करना है, याद रखना एडिशन करना है, हम लिखेंगे एडिंग इक्वेशन नंबर ऑफ जो भी रहेगा हम लिखेंगे. ओके, जब बस दो इक्वेशन रहेंगे, दो इक्वेशन को ऐड करना है तो वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज द साइन. बट जब हमको सबट्रैक्ट करना है, सबट्रैक्टिंग करना है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 2 3 4 जो भी इक्वेशन रहेंगे हमको सबट्रैक्ट करना है. For subtracting we have to change the sign. Understood? And remember this, my dear student, these equations, this chapter is very most important chapter, as this chapter is coming for the 10th standard, very first chapter. सबसे पहला चैप्टर है ये 10th स्टैंडर्ड में. और ये आज जो आप पढ़ोगे, जो whatever you going to understood from this chapter, you going to learn from this chapter. This chapter is a basic things you will going to understood. Right? So now coming for the 10th standard, this chapter is vast for you. Inshallah, I will going to explain you the chapter also. Okay? And in my oldest video, you can see my these chapters already I had explained. Okay? So shall I start this chapter now? Nothing is there. Just concentrate and watch my video again and again and comment. You are giving views, then also you have to comment. You should comment. I had opened the comment box there. Okay. Now student, very first question is that by using the variable x and y form any 5 linear equation in variables. आपको x and y इक्वेशन लेना है, y लेना है और कोई भी लीनियर इक्वेशन को क्या करना है, फॉर्म करना है. ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 5 बनाना है. I should write the 5. Okay. See, you should put the number as it is what the number given you have to put that number only. First equation, x plus y equals to 7. My first equation, you can take x plus y, or you can take x minus y equals to 10. Anything you can take. You can take 2x minus 4y equals to 8. You can take this also, or you can take minus x plus 9y equals to 27. You can take this also, or you can take 4x minus 4y is equal to, you can take minus 40 also. You can, this is my 5 examples. In numericals, infinite equations are there where you can take x and y, then you can form the linear equation. How it called equation? See, I have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. That is equation. Then I have the two variables. You can see every question I have two variables. Next, third thing you have to say linear. Linear means those powers should be 1. So all my equations variables, the power is 1. So that is called a linear equation in two variables. Understood? Okay. Now next, write the 5 solution of the equation x plus y. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is that? Equation क्या बेटा? X plus y equals to 7. Now I have to write the equation, solution for this equation, है ना? So हम लोग solution हमेशा कैसा लिखते हैं? ब्रैकेट में, ठीक है? So हम कितने सॉल्यूशन बोले हैं बनाने के लिए? हम सॉल्यूशन दे आस्क्ड टू ड्रॉ 5 सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो देखो अच्छे से, मतलब मुझे x प्लस वाई करना है तो इक्वल्स टू क्या होना चाहिए? 7. सो देखो स्टूडेंट, हमेशा याद रखना, फर्स्ट 5 बोला है, should write the number, right? ओके स्टूडेंट, लिसन, x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 7, मतलब x और y की वैल्यू को प्लस करेंगे तो क्या होना चाहिए? 7. So I should, और देखो हम इक्वेशन जो अब नाउ वी विल मेकिंग द इक्वेशन टू वेरिएबल्स. तो सॉल्यूशन कैसे बनते हैं? x, y, पहला x फिर y, पहला x की वैल्यू फिर y की वैल्यू. अंडरस्टूड? सो मेरे पास एक होगा 3 and 4. देखो बेटा, 3 प्लस 4, क्योंकि x प्लस y है तो 3 प्लस 4, x की वैल्यू 3 है, y की वैल्यू 4 है. 3 प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 7. राइट? नेक्स्ट यू कैन टेक 11 माइनस 4, है ना? x की वैल्यू 11, y की वैल्यू माइनस 4. सो प्लस माइनस माइनस, 11 माइनस 4 7. राइट? राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. और आप क्या ले सकते हो? यू कैन टेक 10 माइनस 3 ऑल्सो, है ना? 10 माइनस 3 7, x की वैल्यू 10 and y वैल्यू इज माइनस 3. प्लस माइनस माइनस. नेक्स्ट, what are you going to take? You can take 1 and 6, 1 plus 6, 7, right? And you can take और कौन सा इन नंबर्स समझ, इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स, you can take any numbers, हाईएस्ट नंबर भी आप ले सकते हो, नो इशू. नाउ you can take 2 minus 9, और ऐसे लिखो, राइट? minus 2 9 plus minus minus 9 minus 2 7. So that is my equation. You can write your equation also. Understood? So that is the question number 2. Just see. So I will start the main question of this exercise. Okay? Do it fast. Done? Now student, now main of this exercise, solve the following set of simultaneous equation. It is simultaneous equation. This equation can be solved by two methods. What we are going to solve by the simultaneous equation, second by substitution method. But this year substitution method is not there for you, so you will go only for one method, because this method is coming for the 10th standard also. So only you have to go for the one method only. Okay? So I am starting the main equation. Please concentrate on my explanation. Okay? Very first question. See the numbers. How is number given? Question number 3, the first one. What is that? X plus y equals to 4. 2x minus 5 equals to 1. Now I have two equations, so I should write the equation numbers also. So write solution. Okay. X plus y equals to 4 as my equation number 1. Then 2x minus 5y equals to 1 as equation number 2. I had put the equation. Now student, are you going to check which variable should be get equal? Okay, so easily we can get operate on this. Now student, when I have two variables, कोई भी दो variable x या y, when we have opposite sign, okay, कोई भी variables पे अगर opposite sign होती है, so we will going to add. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Adding करेंगे. And when we having similar sign, यहाँ देखना यार, opposite sign add करेंगे. Okay, और subtracting कब करेंगे हम? When we having similar sign. Similar sign. Okay, opposite sign means ऊपर plus नीचे minus या फिर ऊपर minus नीचे plus. Okay, these two equation having the opposite sign. Equation having opposite sign you can add. If the equation having similar sign, then similar sign means plus minus 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 or plus plus. So we have to get subtracting. Understood? ठीक है? And when we are subtracting, so पहले गलत बताया मैंने आपको. When we are subtracting, we have to change the sign also. So see how I am going to do. Now I can multiply the equation number 1 with any of the number because I can take 2, so I will take 2x. If I multiply the equation number 1 by 2, I will get 2x. Okay, then when I have a similar sign, I will get subtracting. Right? Now student, y is in the plus and y is the minus. If you have multiply equation number 1 by 5, so I will get here 5y. है ना? 5y. If I will get 5y प्लस में है, 5y यहाँ पर माइनस में, तो प्लस माइनस क्या करेगा? अपोजिट साइन पे हम क्या करेंगे? एडिंग करेंगे. So you can do the addition, है ना? So what I am going to write? Listen, look here. Multiplying you can write each term also. Multiplying equation number 1 or simple statement by how much? 5. Okay. So therefore 5 into x, 5x, okay, plus 5 into y, 5y equal to 5 4s are 20. So that is my third equation, new equation. Now I will not go for the equation number 1. Now I got two equations with the opposite sign. So what I am going to do? Adding. When I am adding, now I will see my y variable terms are equal and I am having opposite sign, so I will going to do adding. Write the full form of equation. Adding equation. What is that? 2 and 3. Second equation and third equation I have to add. What is second equation? I have 2x plus 5y equals to 1. 5x plus okay, plus 5y equals to 20. Add करना, you have to write the add sign. That's all. Okay. Now plus minus get cancel. Add this, I will get 7x, isn't it? And here I will add, I will get 21. Bigger number sign. Now so therefore I will put x here only. 21. Multiplication will become division. 7 1s are 7 3s are. Can I cancel this? Yes, it can be cancelled by 7. So therefore the value of x I got as 3. Highlight with the scale pencil. Done? Now student, if I get the value of y, so I will get the value, now I get the value of x, so I will get the value of y also, right now. So what I am going to do, I am writing here, see, you can go easily. You can write substituting, or you can read rebooting, or you can read putting, replace, anything you can write. I am writing substituting the value of x equals to 3 in, I have 3 equations, right student? Now I have 3 equations, equation 1, 2 and 3. In any of the 3 equations I can put any of the 3 equations, I can put the value. Okay, so I am taking my easiest equation, so I can get the value of y easily. So that is equation number 1. So I am putting my value of x in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? That is x plus y equals to 4. So therefore, what is the value of x? 3 plus y value I don't have is equal to 4. So therefore, y is equal to 4 plus what will be क्या हो जाएगा minus. So therefore, the value of y is 1. So that is my equation number. Okay, I got the value of y. But student, I should write here x and y equals to 3 and 1 is the, write the statement compulsory solution of given equation. Understood? So that is our first question. Come on, do it first. Okay, shall I go on for the question number 2? And question number 2 is very easy. You can do by your own, but I will go to explain you because it is new concept for you. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. What is that? 2x plus y equals to 5 and 3x minus y equals to 5. Now students, should I first, what I am going to do? I will put the equation number 2x plus 5 y is equal to 5, that is equation number 1. 3x minus y equals to 5 as equation number 2. Now student, I don't want to multiply any of the equation. Why? Because already my both the equation terms are equal, right now? Here I have y, here I have y, 1 y. So I can easily what I am going to do, my adding or subtracting, because I have similar opposite sign, so I will do adding, right now? So हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर एडिंग कर रहे हैं एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2. What is that? 2x plus 5 y is equal to 5, 3x minus y is equal to 5. Adding, I have to put the sign. Come on, plus minus can cancel, add this, I will got 5x and I will get here 10. So therefore x equals to 10 divided by 5. So therefore the value of x, 5 ones are 5, 2, so the value of x is 2. Now student, continue, you can write, continue. Now I will substitute the value of, what do I value of x equals to 2 in which equation you can put? I have two equations. Go for the easy one. I can go for the first equation. So, equation number 1. What is equation number 1? That is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 2 into x is 2 into value of x is 2 plus y is equal to 5. So, therefore, 2 2s are 4 plus y is equal to 5. So, therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 4. So therefore y is equal to 1. Okay student. Now I will write the equation. X and y. Solution you should write compulsory the statement. X and y is equals to 2 and 1 is the solution of given equation. Understood? Come on, do it fast. Done? Okay student? Now we will go for the question number 3. Okay? You can pause the video and you can see, beta? When you want to write, you can see. I'm not dropping the equation because almost मेरे सारे equation वैसे ही आते हैं. Okay? Now, we will go for the equation number 3. Okay, what is that? Equation number 3. My equation number 3 is 3x minus 5y is equals to 16 and x minus 3y equals to 8. Okay. So, okay. Now student, what I am going to do? Now I will first of all give the equation name, a number. Okay, solution. So, 3x minus 5y is equals to as equation number 1. X minus 3y equals to it as equation number 2. Done? Now student, see I have equation number 2x, I don't have any value. Should I multiply with the 3, so I will get 3x right now. Okay, easy way you can do. Or else you can go like this also. You should multiply here the equation number 1 with the 3, you will get 15. 5 3s are 15. If you multiply with the 5x, 5, so you will find it. Then you have to multiply 2 times. So better है whether you should multiply 2 times or you can go for the first only one multiplication. That is easy. Okay. So what I am doing? Multiplying equation number 2 by 3. So therefore 3 into x, 3x minus 3, 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. So I got that third equation. Understood? Now I having similar. My terms are get similar. My x terms get similar, isn't it? 3x and 3x. But I have similar sign. If I having similar sign, so I will going to subtract. Okay. So I like this, subtracting equation. I don't want to see equation number 2 right now. Now we are going to subtract equation number 1 and 3. Okay. So what is my equation number 1? 3x minus 5y is equals to 16. And my equation number 3, 3x minus 9y equals to 24. What I told, beta, leave one line. What I told, when I subtracting, I have to change the sign. So, second equation I am having plus sign, so I should write here minus. If I am having minus sign, so I should write here plus. If I am having plus sign, I should write minus sign. Okay? If I subtracting plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So I have to change the sign. when I am subtracting. This is very important. If you are not going to change your sign, your solution will be not correct. Okay. Now student, so automatically these will be cancelled. Okay. So now we have to forget this sign. Minus plus minus. If you I will minus, I will get here 4y. Bigger number sign. Now I have here minus sign, but this sign I am not getting. I will do my new sign. So new sign is on 9. So 9 in the positive plus sign. So I should write here bigger number sign, that is plus. Plus minus minus. If you I will minus, what I will get 70. I will get 8 here. Right? I will get minus 8 bigger number sign. So y, therefore y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. So therefore y is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are. So I got the value of y as minus 2. Understood? So I get the value of y as minus 2. Now student, substituting. Now I should write here substituting. Okay? The value of, I got the value of y here, right? Value of y as minus 2 in equation. I have now 3 equations. Which were the smallest you can do in anywhere. I am going to put in the first equation only. So what is that is, my first equation is 3x minus 5y equals to 16. 3x as is it 5 into y value is minus 2 is equals to 16. 3x minus minus plus 5 2s are 10 equals to 16. So I will take 3x here only. 16 plus 10 became minus 10. So therefore 3x equals to 6. So x equals to 6 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So therefore x equals to 2. Now I should write 2 first x value then y value is equals to 2 and minus 2 is the solution of given equation. Okay student? Come on, write down fast so I will go for the next question. Okay. Now I will go to the question number 4. See, every question I am explaining you so that you can be able to solve it. So this is a new question for you. Okay. Now, question number 4. So what is the question number 4? Question number 4. I just want to wait for 2 minutes. See. Now question number 4. 2y minus x equals to 0. 10x plus 15y equals to 4. So now student, the sequence of the equation number 1 is not correct. So we have to make it correct. Okay. First of all, I want to write the equation C. Equation number 4. What is that? 2y minus x equals to 0. 10x plus 15y equals to 105. Before writing the equation number, we should arrange the equation. Okay. So I will arrange that minus x plus 2y equals to 0. I want x first, then I want y. x के आगे माइनस साइन है तो माइनस x लिखोगे. ओके. एंड यहाँ पर कोई साइन नहीं है. We don't have any sign, so it is positive number. So I have written plus 2. Okay. If you want, you can change the sign. Okay, so what I am doing, therefore x minus 2y equal, all let it be, don't issue, So that is equation number 1 for us. What is second question? 10x plus 15y equals to 105, as I will put equation number 2. Now see, I have only x and here I have 10x. So I should multiply equation number 1 by 10. So I am writing here multiplying equation 1 by 10. So therefore 10 in minus 10 minus x is multiplied by 10. So I will got minus 10x. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20, right? And 10 zeros are 0. So I got that equation number 3. Understood? If our variables are empty, we should see that each number should be multiplied to equalize that variable with the other equation. Okay? So now see the equation number 2 and 3. I have here plus 10x and I have here minus 10x. My terms are get equal. So what I am going to do? If I am having opposite sign, so I am going to add. Okay? Adding equation. I don't want to see 1 now. I will go for equation number 2 and 3. Okay. So what is the equation number 2? 10x plus 5y equals to 105 minus 10x plus 20 is equal to 0. I have to do addition. Add it. So what happened? Plus minus can cancel. So add this, I will get 25, right? 25y, and here we got 105. So y is equal to 105 upon, okay, upon 25, right? Okay students, so 25, I don't think so. Let me check that 2x minus is equal to 10x plus 15y is equal to 105, right? Isn't it? Come on. So what I am missing, just say it properly. I have to, it is 15. I have written only 5. Okay, it is 15. Okay. So I got to get 35, isn't it? 35. 35 1s are, 35 3s are. So y is equal to 3, right? So now substituting the value of y equals to 3 in, we can go for this equation, that is equation number 1. That, so it is, that is minus x plus 2y equals to 0. Therefore minus x plus 2 into y value 3 is equal to 0. Minus x 2 3s are 6 equals to 0. So therefore minus x equals to minus 6 plus equals to 0 जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा minus 6. Minus minus can cancel, so I got x value as 6. So therefore x in y, that is 6 and 3, is the solution of given equation. Okay student, come on, write down first, so I will, we can go for the next question. Do it first. Done? Now we go for the question number 4. 5. Okay? Come on. What is that? Equation number 5. Plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 equals to 11. Easy है बेटा this sum also, है ना? See, first of all solution and put the equation number 2x plus 3y. See, ये प्लस 4 है, आपको इक्वल के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले जाना, बिकॉज लीनियर इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बताती हूँ मैं आपको. ax plus by equals to c. This is a linear standard form of linear equation. Okay, so equals to c. Okay, so we have to change it. Equals to plus 4 will become minus 4. So that is my equation number 1. X minus 5y equals to 11. That is equation number 2. Okay, now student, see I have empty here. My x is empty, so I should multiply with the 2. So I will get 2x. I will get the term equal. Okay, so I am getting multiplication. Okay, multiplying equation number 2 by 2. So what happened? 2x, 5 2s are 10y. If 2 1s are 2 1s are. So I got this equation, that is third. Now I will forget the equation number 2 and I will check equation number 1 and 2. So I get same term equalized, right? So now what I am going to do? Subtracting, right? Because we have similar sign. Subtracting equation 1 and 3. See, 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. 2x minus 10y is equal to minus 20. See, I have to change the sign. Leave one line and change it. Okay. So what happens? These will cancel. We have to change. Forget this sign. Plus plus plus. So I got 13y or plus plus plus. So which is plus we got 26. So I got minus 26. So y is equal to minus 20. We have our sign I do put. Okay. So equals to 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So value of y is minus 2. Substituting the value of y equals to minus 2 in equation number 1, 2, 3, and then you can do. Should I go for equation number 2? That is x minus 5y equals to 11. X minus 5 into y value is minus 2 equals to 11. Therefore, 5 2s are 10 minus minus plus 5 2s are 10 equals to 11. Therefore, x equals to 11 plus 10 will become minus 10. So therefore x equals to 1. Okay. Now statement you should write x and y equals to 1 and minus 2 is the, write the full statement, is the solution of given equation. So student, this is my 5th question. Just see it for 1 second, then I will go for the question number 5. Question number 6. Okay. Should I go for the question number 6? Huh? Let's see now question number 6, the last question of exercise, that is 2x minus 7y is equal to 7, 3x plus y is equal to 22. Now student, first of all we will put the equation number to the equation. 2x minus 7y is equals to 7, that is equation number 1. 3x plus y is equal to 22 as my equation number 2. Now only my y in the equation number 2, my y is only empty. So I should multiply with the 7, should become 7y. As to compare both the y, I will see the 7y right now. So multiplying equation number 2 by 7. 2, right? So 7 3s are 21 plus 7 into y 7y. 7 2s are 14, 1 is 14 plus 1 15. So I got this my third equation, new equation. Now I will not go to look the second equation. When I got 7y equal on both the equation and I have opposite sign, तो opposite sign में हम करेंगे adding. Okay? So adding equation number 1 and 3. So this is first equation 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. 21x plus 7y is equals to 154. What do I do? Add. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel, plus minus can cancel. Add this I will get 23x and plus I will get 7, 11, 161. Come on. 161 divided by 23. Let me check with the 7. 23 7s are 7 to the 21, 7 to the 40, 50, 16. So 7 1 23 1 23, 23 7s are. So therefore the value of x I got 7. Highlight with the scale pencil. So substituting the value of x equals to 7. Now I have 3 equations. Whichever smaller you can put. Should I put in the equation number 3? Equation number 2. So that is 3x plus y is equals to 22. So therefore 3 into 7 plus y equals to 22. 3 7s are 21 plus y equals to 22. What I will do? I will take my number one side. So plus 22 became plus 21 became minus 21. So therefore y is equal to 1. Last x and y equals to 7 and 1 is the solution of given equation. So this is our last question. Entire 6 question we have learned and entire 6 different 6 question we have solved the different 6 method. Okay, so inshallah we will meet in our live lecture. So if you have any kind of queries we can do them. Okay student, so by the time you should complete your work. Take care yourself, do your work. Allah Hafiz.